Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. First thing we're going to do is go to settings, and then all the things we need is to screen time. So press on screen time and we have different options here. So I will show you the different options. So first is downtime. So press on downtime. If you want to schedule your downtime, you can do it by doing it from every day. For example, from 5 in the morning to 8 in the morning before school, or customize the days. So I custom already. So from 5 to 8 in the morning, you can't do anything in this downtime, and on Saturday and Sunday they're allowed to do certain things. So that's downtime. If you want to set limits for them, you can add limits. Then you can say, for example, the whole social bar you can set up and limit it, but also you can choose for example only TikTok. Press next and just set it up for 1 hour, so they are allowed for 1 hour on TikTok every day. So you can choose and mix and match what you want. For limit, then always allowed, also a very important one. So during downtime you're allowed to be on phone, message, FaceTime, maps, camera and mail. But if you want to add a new one, maybe notes, you can add that to your downtime, always allowed. Also contacts, you can choose your contacts. You want to choose specific contacts or everyone, you can choose that one as well. And content and privacy restrictions, that's a good one as well. So if you press to have this on, you can choose to have iTunes and App Store purchases. You can choose if they can install apps, delete apps, or even do in-app purchases. And don't request of always request, so you can control what they do in here. Then the always allowed apps, you can say which apps are always allowed to be used. And contact restriction, for example with movies, you can see what age they can watch movies, or which you control, which music you control, which podcast you can control. So play around with those options and see what's best for your situation. But this is how to set up parental controls on iPhone.